In the past few months, average of 85% of real estate inquiry are looking for a ready for occupancy house. Sa totoo lang, talagang ready for occupancy ang hinahanap ng mga client ngayon. Katunayan, meron tayong isang client na luckily naka-avail siya ng ongoing house construction dahil nga wala nang available na ready for occupancy. Kaya ang na-avail niya is yung ongoing house construction. At this month, we have a very good opportunity para sa 4-bedroom, 2 toilet and bath na single attached house with balcony and car garage. For minimum or partial down payment of 700,000, pwede nang mag-start ang house construction. At habang ginagawa ang bahay, magbabayad ka lang ng 60K kada buwan for 6 months. Or, other option mo, pwede mong bayaran yung down payment in 1 year to pay at 61,333 per month or 30,833 kada buwan for 2 years. And pwede hanggang 3 taon at 21,111. At ang Pag-ibig balance payment mo na lang for maximum of 30 years ay 19,912 per month. At pwede mong i-avail yung katabing lote kung kailangan mo ng mas malaking space for your dream homes. At kahit alin dito sa payment option na ito, ay kaya mo na at abot kaya mo nang magkabahay dito sa Ilagan City, Isabela. Ngayon na!